Happy people, I'm back with another video, and today I want to show you guys some bling boxes that I purchased from Amazon. I did showcase these on my Amazon storefront as well as on my YouTube community tabs. So make sure you guys are checking those two places for the amazing deals that I'll be finding on Amazon. So let's hop into it. So I did pick up two bling boxes. They were both under $10. Actually, they both were $9.99. Actually, yeah. So both of these bling boxes were $9.99, which I thought was a great deal on Amazon. So yeah, let's go ahead and get them unboxed. I do like how they came packaged. They're very secure. So they came in a Ziploc bag and also wrapped in bubble wrap. So yeah, that is awesome. So that this is so that it didn't get damaged during shipping. Okay, so this here is the bling box here, and this was the blue. Kind of like light blue. This was like the light blue, baby blue crystals. And I'll be honest, you guys, actually, after I bought this box, a couple of weeks later, it went down to $7.99 on Amazon. So if this bling box is still available, I'm going to go ahead and link it down in the description box below. But I thought that was a great deal, $7.99. Short nail life, mentioned it on her community tab when it went down a couple more dollars. So I thought that was pretty nice of her to let you guys know that it went down. Let's go ahead and pop this open. I do like how they come packaged. It just says luxury rhinestone kit, crystal memories. So yeah, oh, look at this, how pretty. So they all come individually packaged. So I love the fact that they all come individually packaged, but yeah, isn't this just beautiful? All right, so what I'm gonna do is first I'll take a few of these out and just show you guys what they look like up close. So this here is some of the heart-shaped ones, and I'm gonna show you guys what they look like up close really quick. Yeah, this is what they look like up close. Do y'all see the shine to this? Absolutely beautiful. I love it. I do like the quality of these rhinestones. I have purchased other bling boxes from Rhinestone. I have purchased other bling boxes from Amazon, and the quality was great, and they lasted long too. So I thought these were really cute. So yeah, I do love how this bling looks. It's a really beautiful bling box. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my next box of bling. Okay, so this here is another box of bling that I picked up from Amazon. I believe this was either $11.99 or $12.99, and I got it because it's a big box of AB crystals. And you guys, I have used this in a set. I am going to go ahead and leave that here in the corner so you guys can see it. But these rhinestones are gorgeous. They were so pretty to the fact that I wanted to go back and get more, but I was like, let me just be good and not, because I have a ton already. But yeah, I think it either already came. No, did it come unbagged? I can't remember if it came unbagged like this or not, but I was so excited because I think I went ahead and unbagged this because I wanted to use it. But look how pretty. Gorgeous. Okay, so that's my second bling box I got from Amazon. This here is my third bling box that I got. And again, I like how it comes packaged. Ooh, okay, so these are the champagne crystals that I got. Whenever I see a bling box that's $10 or below, I normally go ahead and get it on Amazon. Let's see, I think I paid $9.99 for this one. This one's absolutely gorgeous. So again, these are the champagne rhinestones. Look at that, very, very pretty. Gorgeous. Love that. I have also used these in a set as well. I think I did a birthday collab with a friend last year, so I'm gonna go ahead and link that over in the corner too, so you guys can see how they look. But these are so cute. This here is the next bling box. Ooh, okay, so these here, I don't know if they're called like the canine crystals and whatnot, but they're the ones that are kind of iridescent. They like clear with iridescent shift to them. So let me go ahead and open this up. Ooh. So yeah, you guys, these are really beautiful as well. Absolutely love it. Okay, let me open it up here. Okay, so yeah, these are really beautiful as well. Wow, absolutely love it. Okay, and the cool thing about this one is that it came with some tweezers as well as the wax pencil. So yeah, you can never have too many wax pencils with these boxes. I like that they all come with their own. But yeah, that was my, what is this, the third bling box? Yeah, and I got two more to show you guys. Next, I got this one. Ooh, okay, now these are like some pinky purpley rhinestones. And again, you guys, I think all of these were under 10 bucks. Look at that. Oh, these are beautiful. How gorgeous. Yeah, I love these. And then this one also came with tweezers and a rhinestone picker. So that is really awesome. So this is my fourth bling box. This here is my fifth bling box. Now, I believe this was either $10.99 or $12.99, and I thought this one was cool because it came with not only bling, but it also came with gold alloy charms. So I thought this one was a pretty unique bling box. So let's go ahead and open her up so we can take a look see here. And it says Dr. Mode, and it says Nail Art Decorations DIY Kit. I thought this was pretty cool. So yeah, okay, yeah, that's the one thing I liked about this one is that it came with a variety of different things. So this one is kind of like those canine crystals that I showed you guys earlier, but they looked a little bit more like opaque, like a white iridescent instead of like a clear. How cute are these? Okay, so I thought these were really cool, but then like I said, it also came with some extra goodies. So over here on the side, it came with like these gold alloy pieces. So let's take a look at these. Oh, that's a lot of them too. Wow. And again, you guys, I do list all the deals that I find on my community tab, so definitely make sure you guys are staying tuned. But how cute is this? This one's really cool. So this one comes with all of these gold alloy pieces. That's different and unique. They got all different types of shapes in here as well. They got moons. Let me see. They got different hearts here. As you, did I drop it? Oops, okay. You see they have a moon. A star. A square. I think I saw a heart in here somewhere. They got a heart. Yeah, I thought this was pretty cool. So it came with 2 packs of those in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just empty that out in here. So yeah, I thought this was a pretty cool deal too. And so it came, like I said, with 2 packs of those in here. And then it also came with a couple of nail glues. Now the nail glues, I don't know if they're still any good. It looks like they kind of spilled out. These are the tweezers that came with the box. So, I mean, obviously they're not in good shape. I think the glue may have spilled out on it. Maybe it's something I can go ahead and wipe clean. But yeah, it came with 1, 2, 3, 4 nail glues. It came with 4 nail glues, and then it also came with 2 rhinestone wax pencils. So I thought that was a pretty good deal for, you know, under 10 bucks. I don't think. Oh no, it's still good. Okay, the nail glue is still good. All right, I thought it might have dried out because of how those other 2 things were, but no, they're good. It's still, yeah, it still works. And so you guys can always apply your rhinestones with nail glue as well. I think a lot of people used to do that before they came out with, you know, the rhinestone glue. But yeah, it's always good to have nail glue. Even if you don't use it for rhinestones, you can use it for applying your press-on nails. So I thought this kit was pretty cool and unique because it came with all these extra different goodies, you know? Yeah, you guys, these are all of the bling boxes that I hauled from Amazon. I got a total of 5 of them. Oh, actually, I got a total of 6. Alrighty, so these are all of the bling boxes that I hauled from Amazon. Again, most of these were $10. A few of them I maybe paid $12 or $13 for, but all of them are definitely well worth it. I do again post all the amazing deals I find on my community tab, so make sure you guys are tuned in. And I am going to be doing a part 2 to this video. It's going to be ASMR, and I'm just going to be taking all of the rhinestones out of their individual packaging and just kind of potting my rhinestones into their bling boxes. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video. Let me know which box of bling is your favorite. I think by far mine is the blue, the AB, and champagne. And yeah, I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.